everyone, welcome back to my channel to set up my digital bullet journal for November of 2023. I do just want to talk a little bit about what this digital bullet journal is as I get into the planning here. What I've done is I've created a customizable digital bullet journal for 2024. So how is it customizable? There's a few different layers to it. So first of all, every single month you get to choose out of 25 different themes. You get to choose your monthly theme. You can add in a bunch of collections to your yearly pages if you want extra pages for health and wellness or finances or productivity. You can choose which sort of collections or bonus pages you want to add in. And then as well as that, during the months, you can choose between a few different options for each of kind of the main type of spreads. So for example, on your calendar spread, you'll be able to choose if you want a Sunday start, Monday start, or list style calendar. For your habit trackers, you can choose from 3 different layouts. Your memory pages, you can choose from 3 different layouts. Your weekly spreads, again, 3 different layouts. Daily spreads, there's some options there as well. So you can customize this digital bullet journal to make it really work for you. And like I said, it is a digital bullet journal for 2024. However, I'm launching these kind of little previews for 2023. So in October, I released that little orca themed preview. And now here in November, I have this kind of fall florals preview. And because it is just a preview, just a little sampler, it doesn't include all of those levels of customization. So you can't choose a different monthly theme. It's just this theme for November, just to kind of expose you to what the journal is like. You also can't choose between the different types of spreads. So there's just one calendar layout in the sampler, one weekly layout in the sampler, but of course in the full version you do have that customization. So this is the sampler that I'm working in right here. Like I said, I created one for October and then this one for November. Now in December, I will be launching another one. It's actually already available in my shop, but that one is going to have those extra layers of customization within your monthly spread. So there will be the 3 different calendar layouts, the 3 different weekly spread layouts that you can choose from. So yeah, December will be a little bit more like one of the normal 2024 months. So there are kind of 2 different ways that you can get your hands on this November planner to start using it right now. Both of them are in my Etsy shop, so you can head down there to the link in my description if you're interested. You can either get the November sampler on your own. It is $2 and you can just buy it as it is and kind of try it out to see if you're interested in trying the 2024 full bundle. Or what you can do is go get the whole 2024 bundle. It is available right now. It is on sale for 70% off, a huge launch sale. And whenever you buy that planner, you will get all of the remaining months of 2023 for free. So if it's still October when you buy it, you get October, November, December. So whenever you get it, you can just jump right in and start using your digital bullet journal right away. Start doing your planning in there. So those are the 2 different ways that you can get this exact planner that I'm working in. And again, I will have my shop linked down below. I do also apologize for the furnace that just kicked in the background. It's November in Canada, so we definitely need that. Now, as you saw, I just finished setting up my monthly calendar spread, which was the biggest thing that I set up each month. And what I did for my calendar spread was I just went onto Canva. I have a Canva Pro account, which is really awesome because you can make just basically little digital stickers and then print them out as PNG files with a transparent background. So that's what I did. Unfortunately, if you don't have Canva Pro, you can't do that. Do the transparent background thing. However, if you do go ahead and purchase the 2024 full bundle, I do have a folder full of freebies that includes some different cover options for your journal, as well as some different stickers that you can use for stuff like that. Not the same ones that you just saw. Those were kind of, I just made them, custom for the events that I have coming up in November, but you can find some similar things in my freebies folder. Now, the page that I'm setting up here is called the monthly dashboard page. So it's just kind of a place to dump an overview of your month and what you're hoping to do this month. So I use this as kind of my main task planning page, whereas my calendar is my main place to dump events. This is my main place to dump all of my tasks. And I can assure you that as I go through the month, this page will probably change. I'm going to erase things and replace them with different things that I want to prioritize instead. But for now, I'm just kind of plotting out my thoughts. You know, it's late October, so I'm just planning out what I think I would like to do in November. And lots of the things that I'm trying to do in November are focusing on preparing to start 2024, launching this 2024 customizable digital bullet journal into the world. I want to create a bunch of content around it, reels and TikToks and videos and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing in November. Now for the tasks section here, I'm using it a little bit differently. I'm numbering the weeks of November because each week I try to film, edit, and upload 2 pieces of YouTube content. And so when I actually do those, then I'm going to highlight. Use a little highlighter to dot that task to check it off. Moving on to the next spread, and again, when you use the full version in 2024, you can use a different habit layout if you want to. This is just one of the 3, but this is the one that comes with the November sampler. So I'm just going to go ahead and write out some habits for the month of November. The next spread that we have here is a mood tracker. So every month has a themed mood tracker just like this, fully doodled to match the theme for that month. And I decided to use mine as more of a productivity tracker. To be honest, even that I don't think I'll use very regularly. I've just never found a mood tracker or anything similar to be really necessary for my life. I like the idea of, you know, like coloring it in and it looks really cute at the end of the month, but it just seems like it takes more time than it's worth. So here I'm just going to do a little flip through. You saw the cover page, the calendar page, my monthly dashboard spread, the habit tracker, and then the themed mood tracker. And I'm just going to quickly flip through the rest of the sampler here. So you've got a brain dump, tasks page, memories page. This is the 1 weekly layout that the sampler comes with. And then there are 2 different options here for daily spreads that you see at the end of the month. So that is the full November sampler. Now let me give you a quick look at December. So as I mentioned, in December, you get access to the full in-month customization. So you just saw I flipped between a Sunday start, Monday start, and list style calendar. Now I'm going to flip through a calendar style, list style, and wheel style habit tracker. Again, themed mood tracker, brain dump. We've got 2 different tasks list, one with sections, one without. 3 different memories pages, prompts, 1 line a day, or an open page to collage. And then each week there are 3 different layouts. So here are the 3. I think I'll probably land on that middle one for my own personal use. And here are the 2 daily layouts for this olive themed sampler that I will be launching for December. So again, head to the description box if you're interested in any of those links.